Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy fruit salad. Having fruits is a good habit and it will keep our body cool in the summer. Let's get started. In a bowl, I'm adding half cup of papaya, half cup of musk melon, two bananas and half a cup of blueberries. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. This will give our fruit salad a nice taste. Give it all a good mix. This is musk melon. I have scooped a little and made like a bowl. Do not scoop out all the flesh as it will lose its shape and tear. Add the fruit salad into the bowl. You can make like this when you invite your friends and families. I'm adding 2 scoops of cookie and cream ice cream. You can add any flavor of your choice. Make and enjoy this summer. You can add any fruits. You can top it with some nuts also. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.